Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Spocket store access for product imports. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate your Spocket store access for product imports, begin by logging into your Spocket account. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Locate the My Store section on the left sidebar. Click on My Store to proceed. You will see an option to connect your store. Select your store platform from the available options. If you're using Shopify, click on the Shopify icon. For WooCommerce, select the WooCommerce icon instead. You will be redirected to the authentication page. Log into your store's account if prompted. Authorize Spocket to access your store by following the on-screen instructions. After authorization, you will be redirected back to Spocket. Confirm that your store is successfully connected. Check for a confirmation message indicating successful authentication. You can now go back to the Spocket dashboard. Begin exploring and importing products into your store. You are all set to enhance your store's offerings with Spocket. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.